Welcome to X4Jet tutorial video HT012D controller binding. When you receive your new X4Jet, the controller and aircraft have already been bound at the factory. It is ready to fly after powered on. If the aircraft's rear LED shows a flashing red light and the buzzer makes a beep beep sound, that means you need to bind the controller and the aircraft. With the transmitter set to mode 2, the steps are as follows. Pull and hold the throttle stick to its lowest position. Hold the photo button and power on the transmitter while doing so. The red binding LED will flash. At this time, power on the aircraft. During the binding process, the transmitter must be very close to the aircraft. Please do not press or touch any sticks or buttons. Otherwise, the aircraft will drift and be unstable during flight. When the binding is successful, the aircraft's rear LEDs will turn solid, and the transmitter's binding pairing LED will turn a solid green. This concludes the HT012D controller binding process. Thank you for watching.